Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Long Lake, local and long distance movers near me. If you need to move 100 miles away or further, we can offer the following options for your long distance move: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Our team of professional movers will help ensure you get to where you need to go faster, and relocating is stressful. You have a new city or town to get used to, along with so much to take care of along the way. With our help, you want to do all the heavy lifting or hard work. An Illinois moving company offers the right choices for any local move. Even though the move covers a short distance, it's still a ton of work. You have to pack up everything, load it all into a truck, move it to a new location, unload it, and unpack everything. The work will wear you out and make settling in take longer. With the help of 3 movers, you get a team ready to handle all the hard work. We can even do the heavy lifting and unpacking and packing if you want. Our team will get you moved in faster, and you can worry about settling into your new home or business location. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Long Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.